long time, starting with tap move number 6 to all the way to tap move number 10, but we are finally here. So today we're going to do the Irish step. It's a simple move, but I find it fun, and it's a good one to end with for all the tap moves that we've learned. So, starting with your hands and your hips, just to make it a little bit easier, I would recommend having that, because if you have your hands out to the side, you might move them, but eventually, when we learn the move, you could have your hands down so it looks like an Irish dance, because you know how all the Irish dancers, they have their arms straight down? That's what we want, but for now, we're just gonna, because we're learning it, we just can have our hands on our waist. So, you're gonna start with a shuffle forward. So, brush with the right foot. We're gonna start with the right foot. You're gonna do forward, back. So again, you brush forward, back. One more time, forward, back. Now you only do the shuffle once. So after you've done the shuffle, you're gonna hop on your supported leg, which will be the left leg. You're gonna hop, just like that, and then you're gonna step your right foot down. Good, I'm gonna face it back so you guys can see. So the right foot, have your hands on your waist, you're gonna shuffle forward, back. Hop with that left supported leg, hop, step. So again, you go forward, back, hop, bring the right foot down. One more time, forward, back, hop, step. So again, forward, back, hop on that supported leg, hop, right foot comes down. Left side, we brush forward, back, we shuffle, again, forward, back, and if you need to, practice it a couple times to shuffle. So we just do forward, back, just once, and then you're gonna hop on your right supported leg, hop, and then you're gonna bring your left foot down. Again with the left foot, forward, back, hop on that right leg, hop, step. Good. So now we're gonna try it with the right leg and then the left. Keeping our hands on our waist for now. And a 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, hop, step, left foot, hop, step. Good. One more time facing the back, starting with your right foot. You shuffle you shuffle with your right foot going forward, back. Ready? And 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward, back, hop, step, left foot, hop, step. Good. Now we're gonna face the front, keeping our hands on our waist, starting with that right foot. It looks like it's to my left, but it's the right. We're gonna start with that. Ready? Get that right foot up, ready to go. And a 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward, back, hop, step, left foot, hop, step. Let's try with our hands down. So you're gonna have your hands by your side. Keep yourself nice and lifted, head up. Here we go, starting with your right foot. And a 5, 6, 7, oh. Before I say anything, make sure you try not to move your arms, keep them straight down like a stick, like you're a soldier. You stand up nice and tall with that right foot. Ready? And a 5, 6, 7, 8. Right foot. Oops. Brush it a little bit harder than I did. So we brush forward, back, hop, step, left foot, hop, step. Good. Let's try it a little faster. One more time. Keeping our arms down. And if you're not totally comfortable and your hands don't feel right, just keep them on your waist. That's fine too. Just want to make sure you guys have the steps right. So, head up. Nice and tall, ready, and a 5, 6 with the right foot, we shuffle, hop, step, left foot, hop, step. Now I'm not gonna say anything this time, I'm just gonna not say anything, we're gonna do it twice without me saying a word. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. There it is, that is the Irish step. Hope you guys liked it. The next tap move we do won't really be a move because it'll be all the tap moves into one. It'll be a dance combo. So we're going to start with 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to do all those moves and it'll be a little combination. So look out for that. And I hope you guys have a great day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.